Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Fluency Workshop. My name is Ryan.
And I am Mia. Thank you for joining us today.
If you are learning English, you are in the right place. Do not worry about making mistakes. Mistakes help us learn.
Exactly. We will speak slowly. We will use easy English. And we will practice together.
Today's lesson is very important. We will learn how to introduce ourselves. This is something you can use every day. Maybe at school, maybe at work, maybe when traveling, or maybe when you meet a new friend.
Ready? Let's begin.
When you meet someone for the first time, you usually say hello. Some common greetings are hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Hi is more casual. Hello sounds a little more formal. Both are correct.
Let's practice. I will say it. You repeat after me. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Great job.
After saying hello, people usually ask your name. For example, what is your name?
Or simply, what's your name? Both are correct. Now let's answer. My name is Ryan.
My name is Mia.
You can also say, I am Ryan, or I'm Ryan.
Very easy. Now it is your turn. What is your name? Excellent.
Hi, my name is Ryan. What is your name?
Hello. My name is Mia. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. That was easy.
When someone tells you their name, it is polite to say, nice to meet you.
The other person usually says, nice to meet you too. Let's practice.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Wonderful. People often ask, where are you from?
You can answer like this. I am from Canada. I am from Ethiopia. I am from Brazil. I am from Japan.
I am from the United States.
I am from England.
Now you answer. Where are you from? Very nice. Let's have a longer conversation. Hi,
Hello.
my name is Ryan. What's your name?
My name is Mia. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I am from England. How about you?
I am from the United States.
That's nice.
I am from the United States. Sometimes people ask, what do you do? This means, what is your job? Or, what do you study?
Here are some answers. I am a student. I am a teacher. I am a doctor. I am an engineer. I am a photographer.
Or you can say, I work in a bank. I work in a restaurant. I work in an office.
Now your turn. What do you do? Awesome.
Sometimes people ask, how old are you? You can answer, I am 20 years old. I am 25 years old. I am 30 years old.
Simple. Just remember, I am, not I have. Now, let's talk about hobbies. People love talking about things they enjoy.
Someone may ask, what do you like to do?
Here are some answers. I like reading. I like football. I like music. I like cooking. I like traveling. I like watching movies. I like learning English.
My favorite hobby is photography. I enjoy taking pictures.
I love reading books, especially with a cup of coffee.
That sounds peaceful.
Until someone drinks my coffee.
That would be a problem. Now, let's put everything together. Hello, my name is Ryan. I am from the United States. I am an engineer. I like photography. Nice to meet you.
Hello, my name is Mia. I am from England. I am a teacher. I like reading books. Nice to meet you.
Now, it is your turn. Answer after each question. Ready? What is your name? Where are you from? What do you do? How old are you? What do you like to do? Amazing! You just introduced yourself in English.
Let's fix some common mistakes. Wrong. My name, Ryan. Correct. My name is Ryan.
Wrong. I from Ethiopia. Correct. I am from Ethiopia.
Wrong. I engineer. Correct. I am an engineer.
Just one small word, am, makes a big difference.
We have a challenge for you. Introduce yourself in English. Say, hello, my name is, I am from, I am a, I like, nice to meet you.
Practice every day. Even 1 minute helps. The more you speak, the more confident you become.
Fantastic work today. You learned how to introduce yourself in English.
Remember, you do not need perfect English. You only need the courage to speak. Every conversation makes you better.
If you enjoyed this lesson, tell us in the comments. Hello, my name is, I am from, I am, I, like. Nice to meet you. See you in the next episode of the Fluency Workshop. Bye!